With Demo Mode, experience the Automate app before installing your shades. First, make sure you have installed the Automate app. Open the app and select Demo. Start controlling a shade by a single press or long press. Double press the tile to stop the shade while it's moving. You can also add a new shade by pressing the plus icon. Edit or reorder tiles here. Manage and control shades in rooms. Scenes are a great way to set shades to a certain position. Create and manage timers to activate shades anytime. And add all your favorite shades, rooms, and scenes here. To start, let's short press on Demo Roller 1. Once the movement is complete, the tile of a closed shade will become gray. Let's open this shade again with a single press. Next, let's long press Demo Roller 1 for advanced control. Here, we can drag the slider to the desired shade position. On the room screen, a single press will trigger all 6 of our shades to close. Once closed, a single press will also open all 6 of our shades. On the scene screen, a single press activates a scene, and a long press allows you to edit the scene. On the timers screen, pause or resume all timers with a single tap. Next, let's add some favorites to our home screen. Let's select Add an item, then choose our favorite shades, rooms, and scenes. Let's save. Our favorite shades, rooms, and scenes are now accessible from the home screen. Feel free to continue exploring the Automate app using Demo Mode.